My name is Cameron Fenton, and I'm from the Bachelor of Illustration program.
I am Cody Pelisek, and I'm a third year at Sheridan's illustration program.
My name is Gursamar Anand, and I'm in the BBA Marketing Co-op program.
My business venture's name is Fenton Concepts.
I'm the co-founder of Hazard Skateboard.
The name of my venture is Celebration Season.
It's an illustration studio that is for art directors looking for a concept artist for doing environments, character art, specifically in the video game industry.
We're a skateboard company for lower income, less opportune teen skateboarders looking for talent sharing opportunities and high quality skateboard for a cheaper price.
Celebration Season is a unique fashion clothing boutique store as well as an e-commerce platform for fashion conscious consumers.